This is the new ProArt GoPro Edition PX13, and it packs the world's fastest x86 APU, the AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395, that outclasses and outperforms every other x86 APU out there. And I'm super excited that ASUS sponsored this showcase because this is the first time they put this insane chip in a traditional laptop design since we got to test the ROG Flow Z13 tablet last year, and as cool as that machine was, I was craving a traditional laptop design with that x86 APU built in, and we finally have it. So before I jump into the design and all of the Easter eggs and features you get with this exclusive GoPro edition, let's jump right into what you all came here to see, the performance. Now in this video, I'm gonna be comparing it to the previous ASUS ProArt PX13, which came with the Ryzen AI HX 370 CPU and NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, and you're about to be shocked at how AMD has managed to replace the need for a dedicated NVIDIA GPU with killer performance built into a single chip that also comes with 128 gigs of unified memory, something you simply can't get on an NVIDIA RTX laptop GPU. Starting off with Geekbench 6, the AI Max Plus 395 is about 3% faster than the HX 370, but when it comes to multi-core, we see a huge performance improvement, with the 395 being 24% faster with over 19,000 points, which is very impressive. And yes, that means it is faster than the latest Panther Lake chips from Intel. I mean, look at the difference versus the most common X7 358H that lots of laptops are getting these days. So yes, the AI Max Plus 395 is the fastest x86 APU you can get on the market. Now jumping into Cinebench's 10-minute multi-core stress test, the 395 absolutely killed the HX 370, being 72% faster with performance that's so good that it even beats out Apple's upgraded 14-core M4 Pro MacBook Pro, which scored 1,549 points, so that is a very impressive feat. Now jumping into graphics performance, this is where the AI Max Plus 395 meets the real challenge, since it's an all-in-one APU going against a fully dedicated RTX 4060, which obviously has massive advantages, but you'll be surprised at how well this holds up. Starting off with 3D Mark's Steel Nomad Lite, which is a gaming benchmark, the 395 absolutely kills the previous 890M graphics, being over 3 times faster, which is crazy, and believe it or not, it somehow also outperforms the dedicated RTX 4060, with the 395 getting 11% higher FPS, likely because of the unified memory advantage. I then tested the brand new Speedway ray tracing gaming benchmark that is so new that I didn't even know it was out, and here the RTX 4060 does pull ahead because of that ray tracing aspect, but the 395 is not too far behind. And now let me finish off with some 3D rendering benchmarks with Blender, starting with the PartyTug project with the EV rendering engine, which is great for quick preview renders, and once again, the 395 beat out the RTX 4060 in the previous PX13. And then I switched over to using Cycles for that high quality render, where we now finally have HIP GPU rendering support for AMD chips compared to using OptiX on the RTX 4060, and here the NVIDIA GPU was about twice as fast. But the cool thing about this laptop is that you can actually go into the ProArt Creator Hub and modify how much memory is being dedicated to the GPU to be used as VRAM. So I went in and I changed it to go up to 96 gigs of VRAM, which leaves 32 gigs for the entire system, and then I redid the test. And now the 395 finished in 52 seconds, so a bit closer, but not close enough. But wait until you see this next render. This is the very complex and unique Swamp project made by indie developer Lasha 3D. You can actually run this yourself on your own computer if you want to compare. I'll leave the link below. And here, the Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 absolutely decimated the RTX 4060, finishing in just 13 minutes and 3 seconds compared to over 18 minutes on the NVIDIA GPU, once again because of that crazy 96 gigs of memory dedicated to the GPU. Now, the best part of all of that performance is that it comes in an absolute beast of a laptop with incredible quality all the way from the design and the display to the future-proofed ports and tons of GoPro Edition Easter eggs and bonuses included in the box, so let's jump into the design. First off, you get this awesome matte black CNC metal design with great build quality. You have GoPro logos on the top and on the bottom, as well as these very unique CNC engraved lines on the top, which you can see, and this actually matches the included heavy-duty hard-shell zip-up travel case, which is very convenient. And I gotta tell you, I love ASUS's nano black coating, which is the most fingerprint-resistant black that I've seen on any laptop, being much better than Apple's Space Black. Now, on the inside, you get this beautiful Cyan backlighting on the keyboard as part of the GoPro collab, with a matching GoPro wallpaper and even a GoPro hotkey, which instantly launches the GoPro Player, which I'll get into in just a minute. But this laptop is a beast. The 13-inch display is absolutely beautiful with 3K resolution, and it's a Lumina OLED panel, which ASUS is famous for, since the quality is great with up to 500 nits of brightness, and Corning Gorilla Glass NBT, which is very durable while improving visual clarity. It also helps it gain its military standard grade durability. And the cool thing is it also has this 360 hinge, so you can pretty much flip it over and use it like a touchscreen tablet. Now, as far as the port selection, it's got future-proof ports with HDMI 2.1 FRL, as well as 2 USB 4 ports that support 40 gig bandwidth, 100 watt PD charging, and up to 8K 120 Hz displays. It's also got a headphone jack, a USB 3.2 Type A port, and a super fast UHS 2 micro SD card reader marked by an exclusive little GoPro blue icon. It's also future-proofed in terms of the wireless specs with Wi-Fi 7. You also have Bluetooth 5.4, so this thing packs all the ports and specs that you need. And now let's dive into that dedicated GoPro hotkey, which if I tap it, you can see it opens up the GoPro Player, which integrates with GoPro Cloud, so you can organize and preview your clips via StoryCube, and you can also edit clips, including editing 360-degree video, like from the GoPro Max 2 8K 360 camera, which they also kindly sent over for testing. And the best part is that if you buy this laptop, it comes with a free 12-month Premium Plus subscription to use all these features, as well as 3 months of Adobe Creative Cloud all apps, and 6 months of CapCut included. But perhaps the coolest thing was the unboxing experience, where the package actually turns into a gear holder with these little foam cubes that you can pull out, perfectly encasing your GoPro device and accessories to keep them all safe and in one place. And of course, the AI Max Plus 395 makes this a Copilot Plus PC with all those Copilot features that I'm sure you've heard 1,000 times already. Well, this laptop comes with them packed in. But overall, this is by far the most compelling x86 Windows laptop I have ever seen, with the fastest x86 APU that you can get all the way around in terms of CPU and graphics as well, so you're clear to play any x86 games that you want, while also being able to handle all of your professional productivity app needs, and all while being in this super compact, solid 13-inch design. So once again, thank you to ASUS for sponsoring this video, and if you want to check out and order the ASUS GoPro Edition PX13, you'll find the links down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.